guys, let's just unpack like news galore. Nazi that the news that are actually going on. Hey, nanglo mabonga oyinkinga oyiproblem elifini esefa ngesibhamu ukuthi naye nje umuntu ohlezi nje idilize izibhamu everywhere. Waye u-ex-boyfriend kaLondi London uSisilo owaye ku Real Housewives of Durban. I think it was season 3 if I remember very well, because I've watched all the seasons and I review all the seasons. Please go to my videos, guys, and check them out. And they actually coming back end of March. I'm a Real Housewives of Durban. I'm actually introducing the other ladies tomorrow. I did introduce uNonku eyedwa ethandaza kuyamazike ngoba uSiliyazi azambiza uDeputy Jesus akamsukeli ngoba she just takes it to other levels. But she starts like that every time makuzoqala isizini entsha abokudi, and then she starts hlanyela abantu. She'll be saying things like, you know who I am? Do you know who I am? I am Nonku International. I'm just like, bro, please calm down. uLondi London ke and futhi abazwanga kahle noNonku. So uLondi London ke i-boyfriend yakhe lo uMabonga yeye omunye naye lokuthi lo nange esefa inspam. I was still saying esentini stroke nightclub stroke restaurant ulwa nama-bouncer every time lo muntu lo mengalanga nama-security guards. But the same thing happened today. Ekulweni kwabo he was shot and then he was rushed to hospital wafika washona. You understand? More people died actually in that incident. More people were actually injured in eyenzakale lapho. Also should say it's an accident lo kusukela kwabantu bavele badubulane ngoba baxabanele umbhedo. But into engasile ngoba akaqali futhi ukuyenza. He was actually on bail and ubesahamba icourt namanye amabhanto akwenye indawo nama-security guard khona futhi esentini. Uyiphindile into yakhe ke this time it just didn't end well. That's the only thing. And but he's the same guy who again kwathi makufaka izitori zakhe khona la kuma socials wathi yenina esho kumanye ama-YouTubers namanye amaphephandaba wathi ngicela ningikhiphe mina lapho. Wakwenza kanjani lokho? Wathumela uLondi London batshele bangijwaye mina. So because people like bayasaba bathi uma sinisaba ungayibona njani iTwitter uyena bese kahamba cabanga guys. Is there anything like that, guys? Bose uhambe loyo ufele empini in a way like ngoba uhlezelo angithi khona lapho phansi ukuthola ama AK-47 now out too. That's all after the crime scene, everything that was happening there. Is there anything like that, Mark? Ngoba nabaphasalezwe ibhame njalo esabisa kanje elifini. And kulwelwani ke the main thing ebilwela, and I feel ukuthi it's not that only. There's other things nobulima phakathi, I'm sure belwela. This is why ngithi we will never even know for sure ezinye izinto. But the main one was kuthiwa vele kuleyo restaurant akungenwa nebhamu. Ubhuti wakho wathi mina ke nahe in fact ngixotsena kasibhamu saka wangena kubududu esibhamu sakhe ke kwaqatshwana ke basically before he even came in with the spam. Waxatshana yabona ukuthi ke ndaphe kanjani manje sahlekisa. It's not even funny anymore. And then I was looking at another video that's also going on socials again. Ega sisters lo uLondi London ngele ubimthengela ku brothers. But I'm like, brothers besebenza guys. Ngoba nje ungumkulukudu nje to office gebeng. Uzuzulwe nama security guards for ukuthi ene ukuthi restaurant angenwa nesibhamu. Hayi, there's nothing like that, guys. Unochunjwa wena. Yilabo bantu ubusahamba icourt for the same thing. Almost like bathi into eyodwa kahle. Why are you that person? Buka ke manje basam support abantu. Uyabazi ke abantu bazokudonsa to filth. You know, they will hurt you. Usuhambile, they will hurt you. Bamtshela the way basilayela kahambe loyo bevele hlupha. Cabanga guys. I'm just like, wow. Sifike nini? Kuyibona leyo nto le. Hamba kanjalo kuMabonga angithi identify kanjalo i-ex-boyfriend ka Londi London. Yeah, kwaphela kanjalo guys. Cabanga. Oh guys, ubona lapho uzabona i-life is something else, eh? Sisame lapho guys endabeni. I appreciate you guys so much. Thank you. Ngithanda over.